The Supreme Court has come out with a very revolutionary judgment by making the public dream and the public employment dream of all the students come alive. Public employment and judgeship is something that all students aspire for, and we are trying to promote this as a nation. Now the impediment had come that the Supreme Court earlier had a judgment put 3 years bar before you could become a judge. With this solution which the Supreme Court has come out today, with the great judgment that the Supreme Court has come out today, it has done away with the 1 year requirement in the first place. The second year they become trainee judges and they have their trainee positions with engagement as salaries paid, of course on a slightly different level. The third year is a period of law clerkship and that also in 27 the 1 year is not required. After 27 the 1 year ultimately, because there is deeming, the matter was pending before the Supreme Court for a long time. After 27, that is the next year, when the position comes into being, again by this pragmatic solution that the Supreme Court has evolved, they have become eligible to become trainee judges in the first instance and therefore given complete light to their dreams and aspirations of the students. I think it is one way for going forward in this matter. The Supreme Court has decided to review the issues after seeing how the position works after 5 years, which also is admirable to see whether indeed this process also has worked or there requires to be further amendment in the process, which gives hope to the aspirations and dreams of all the law students. I think it is a way forward.